Hello and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial. This video is part of our Hub Flow series where we demonstrate how to automate and optimize processes with Peakboard Hub Flows. Today, we will focus on synchronizing Siemens S7 variables to hub variables. The benefit of this is that the Siemens S7 controller only allows for a limited number of connections, so the hub and hub flow act as an edge gateway layer, distributing the data to Peakboard applications. In this video, we will create a Siemens S7 data source in Peakboard Designer, set up variables, and synchronize them with the Peakboard hub. We will then create a hub flow to automatically update the variables every few seconds and make sure the data is available for Peakboard applications. We begin in the Peakboard Designer. First, we create a Siemens S7 data source. We give it a name, enter the IP address of the PLC, and set up our variables. To do this, we first enter the data block and click on the plus symbol. Now we can give the variable a name, select the data type, and enter the byte offset. We repeat this process for all three variables: machine speed, integer, machine running, bit, and machine error text, string. Then click on refresh to display the current data. Next, we create the variables in our project. We give them a name, select the data type according to the data type from the controller, and choose the hub settings. In the dropdown, we can check whether variables of this data type are already present in the hub. Since none are present, we click the plus symbol to create a new variable. We give it a name and then confirm it. From now on, the value of this variable will automatically be synchronized with the Peakboard hub and can be called in Peakboard applications in the same way, simply by creating a variable in our application and linking it with the hub variable. We repeat this process for the other two variables, machine running and machine error text, adjusting the data types as needed. Next, we move on to synchronizing the data from the PLC with the variables. For this, we create a function where in the script, we use the building blocks to assign the Peakboard variables to the values from the controller. Finally, we need to create a hub flow. This flow will run periodically every 3 seconds, reload the Siemens S7 data source, and then, upon data change, call the previously created function, which will then set the variables and automatically synchronize them with the Peakboard hub. We can then start the flow by uploading it to the Peakboard hub and check that it runs without any error messages. Now, if we switch to the Variables tab, we can see that the current values from our PLC are already being displayed. In the Peakboard hub, we need to manually reload the variables, but when we link them in a Peakboard application, this process happens automatically in real time. To use the values in a Peakboard project, we can simply create variables again and link them with the hub variables. We just need to make sure to select the same data type as the hub variables. After that, we can create graphical elements, link them with the values, and add conditional formatting. In the preview, we can see how the values are transferred and displayed in real time from the Siemens S7 controller to our graphical interface via the hub variables. In summary, we learned how to set up Siemens S7 variables in Peakboard, synchronize them with the Peakboard hub, and create a hub flow to automatically update and distribute the data to Peakboard applications. By using this method, the hub flow acts as a gateway to manage data more efficiently and reduce the load on the Siemens S7 controller. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time and good luck with your implementation.